All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and this is to all the tool hoarders out there like me. Things are changing in the economy. If you don't pay attention, inflation's up, probably headed for a recession. Monday's video, I go a little bit more into depth in this kind of stuff, but the fact is that stuff's changing in everybody's shops. Jobs are going to be selling differently. Not going to say better, worse. It's going to change. Rising interest rates are going to push people to keep their cars longer, and it may affect our paychecks a little bit or a lot. And I'm doing this video as a PSA because this is not the time to make big purchases in any part of your life. It's really not. My boss is telling people, hoard money. It's what you need to do. Cash is king right now. Stock market's down, interest rates are up, everything's pointing to, well, some tough times coming. All the prices are up. I know my tool dealers don't like to hear this, but now is not the time to run out and start buying expensive tools, buying toolboxes, unless you find a deal. But again, cash is king. It's really a bad time to take on more debt. And that's the point of this video. This is not the time to sign on the bottom line. It's just really not. And I want to make sure and put this out there because it's really a bad idea to get into debt right now. You thought Snap-on's interest rates sucked before. I'm sure they really suck now. It's not ideal time to be spending a lot of money buying expensive things. In your life in general, it's a poor time to be spending a lot of money on things. Hourly, flat rate, salary, bonuses, whatever. It's going to come down to how your shop navigates the changing economy. It is. This is when good shops continue to strive. This is when bad shops really struggle because they just can't figure out how to change directions and go towards where the money is. I don't know what your situation is in your shop. It's been funky for a while here. We're still selling stuff. We're still making money, but it's been funky is the best way to describe it. Things aren't as cut and dry as they used to be. And it's because people are watching their money. It's simple as that. You've got people that are feeling the crunch of everything going up. Fact of the matter. Simple things like groceries are more expensive. This isn't a political statement. I'm not telling you who to vote for. I'm not telling you any of that kind of stuff. I'm telling you, don't spend a bunch of money right now. Simple as that. This is a horrible time to get in a bunch of debt with the economy the way it is. We don't know what's going to happen. Your shop, you may think, is going to be fine. In this shop, we have a lot of customers that have money. Never tried to hide that fact, but people with money can also be some of the cheapest suckers you've ever met. You don't know what direction a shop's going to take with the economy going down. Be very careful about making major purchases on tools or anything else. It's just not a good time to do it. And I know some of the internet experts will say, "Oh, this is the best time to buy stuff." No. Only if you got money. Only if you got money. Yes, now's a great time to buy, not yet, but housing market's going down. Might be a good time to buy some of that, but the problem is interest rates are going up, so unless you can pay cash, probably not a good time. Kind of the double-edged sword of our economy right now. So hope this was helpful. I know it's kind of preachy, but as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.